Excuse me, I've just checked into room 309, and I'm sorry to say the room hasn't been cleaned properly.
Oh no, I'm terribly sorry. Can you tell me specifically what's wrong?
Well, there are dirty towels still in the bathroom, the bed doesn't look like it's been changed, and there's rubbish in the bin.
That's completely unacceptable. I sincerely apologize. This should never happen.
I'm quite disappointed. I specifically booked a room in advance and expected it to be ready.
You're absolutely right to be upset. This is not our standard at all. I have two options for you. I can send housekeeping to clean the room immediately, which would take about 20 minutes, or I can move you to a different room that's definitely clean.
How do I know the other room will be clean?
That's a fair question. Would you like to inspect it first, before moving?
Yes, I think I would.
Of course. Let me give you the key to room 412. Please go and check it. If it's not perfect, come back and we'll try another one.
That room is much better. It's clean and properly prepared.
Excellent. I'm so glad. Let me help you move your belongings. Actually, please keep both key cards for now. Take what you need to the new room, and I'll send someone to bring the rest of your luggage.
What about the price? Am I paying the same?
Room 412 is actually a superior room, but you won't pay any extra. In fact, I'm reducing your rate by 20% for tonight as an apology.
That's fair. Thank you for resolving this quickly.
It's the least we can do. And please, if there are any other issues at all, call me directly. This is my personal extension.